Most commercial buildings operate inefficiently and on an average waste of 20 to 30% of the energy they use. The result is higher utility bills and decreased profits. What was once just considered a cost of doing business is now seen as an opportunity to save 40% on one of your largest expenses, your energy bills. The key to reducing this cost is to first understand where you can save energy and what changes can be made. Although the problem may be complex, an energy efficient study is a simple solution to reducing a facility's energy consumption. An energy efficient study is an in-depth inspection of your facility and its energy use, where the outcome will identify areas of energy efficiency and also recommend improvements to lower your usage. A good energy consulting company will look at both your energy and water usage to determine the most optimal and cost-effective solutions that saves money, the environment, and a lot of headache. The commercial energy efficient study is the essential starting point whenever considering improvements to your facility. Without it, it's the same as having surgery without doing an x-ray. You just can't be certain you're fixing the real problem. Now you may ask yourself, why should I have an energy efficient study? Well, this is the first step towards energy saving and reducing costs. We all know by now that almost all buildings waste energy in some way. Where do we look? Putting together an energy saving project can be like finding our way through a maze, with many different directions to take and even more energy saving traps that don't always work. Every building is different, and they all have different energy efficiencies. The purpose of an energy efficient study is to sift through all the various energy saving technologies and determine which ones will be the most cost effective to solve your energy needs. The energy efficient study will create an efficient roadmap towards energy savings, so you don't have to waste time and money with technologies that don't work well for your building. We will also educate you and your staff to make no-cost behavioral changes that save money, such as the importance of turning off equipment and using certain pieces of equipment at different times of the day. In addition, an energy efficient study can increase the marketability of a property because of the reduced cost to operate the building, as well as the improvement of health, comfort, and safety of its occupants. An energy efficient study first starts with you during the on-site survey. You must be prepared to answer questions about your facility and its operations. Your energy output history and patterns will also give your energy consultant valuable information about what to look for during the survey. While on site, the energy consultant will consider anything and everything that consumes energy and water, placing more emphasis on important uses that can vary on the building type. Important items that include the building shell, lighting, HVAC, mechanical and electrical systems, and the water usage such as sinks, showers, and landscaping. As reducing energy cost is a major concern, so is the health and safety of the building. If any health or safety concerns are detected during the survey, your energy consultant will have documented and informed you of the problem. Another important step in identifying opportunities for energy savings is benchmarking your building's energy performance. Benchmarking is the same as miles per gallon for rating automobiles. It gives the property a score of 1 to 100 compared to the energy efficiency of other buildings. The lower the score, the greater the opportunity is for improvement. The buildings with a rating in the top 25% can even earn the Energy Star label. After the on-site survey, a list of all possible energy-efficient measures is created. This can include anything from HVAC upgrades and equipment controls to replacing inefficient incandescent bulbs with more energy-efficient lighting. This list is then prioritized with measures that provide the quickest return on investment at the top of the list. Finally, the detailed report is created and presented by the energy consultant, outlining the recommended solutions for other findings. Within the report is an analysis of the utility history that will identify any patterns or trends. The benchmark report will also help to serve in understanding how well energy is demanded and expressed. A prioritized list of energy-efficient measures will also include a detailed discussion of each to help the user understand more complicated topics. Whenever possible, the estimated savings will be provided for the life cycle of the cost analysis and estimated payback period. This will allow the building owner to determine if certain energy improvements are worthwhile during economic standpoint. Just as important as saving money on energy expenses is saving on the initial cost of installing such measures. Within the energy efficient study report will be all applicable rebates, incentives, and financial programs available that will help in lowering the initial cost of your retrofit projects. Finally, the report will include any of the relevant notes and imagery that are identified during the survey of the property. Creating energy efficient and greener businesses can have a major positive impact on your environment as well as your bottom line. A commercial energy efficient study will help you benefit in the triple bottom line: people, planet, and profit. Along with cost savings, there are a number of additional benefits you can realize. The first and most obvious is the ability to reduce operating expenses and increase profitability. And just as important is the effect it will have on your employees' abilities to be more productive in their new work environment. Energy improvements also result in significant increases in comfort, health, and safety, as it allows the building to operate more efficiently. In addition, it can foster a greater sense of pride and motivation for employees of the business. Working for a company that is making every effort to offer a greener and more progressive work environment can be highly motivating and will often translate into more loyal workforce. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, every dollar invested in energy-efficient upgrades can produce between $2 to $3 in increased asset value. Now, this is due to lower operational and maintenance costs, as well as the higher receipt value of owning an energy-efficient and green building. Customers also respond well to businesses that care about the impact that their products and operations have on their community. This, along with being able to operate more efficiently than other businesses, gives you an advantage over competitors. You are able to attract more customers and perform the same functions at a lower cost, resulting in an increase in the ability to hire additional staff or invest in a company expansion. In summary, an energy-efficient study provides focus and direction. It's the roadmap to energy savings. It evaluates energy use holistically and prioritizes measures in order of cost effectiveness to help you develop the best energy strategy for your facility. For more information, call an M3 Green representative or visit m3green.info.